welcome one more time to Cooking with Gloria. I am Gloria, and today I am preparing for you a green penne creamy pasta that you are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: half an onion, 5 jalapeños, 2 garlic cloves, some cilantro, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of granulated salt, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, chicken broth, Parmesan cheese, 1 Philadelphia cheese, and my penne pasta. This recipe comes out delicious every time, and I know that you and your family will enjoy. So let's get started. I have my water boiling. I am going to add the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and the 2 tablespoons of salt. At this point, I'm going to add my 2 cups of penne pasta. They're just gonna cook al dente. We don't want them cooked all the way. So they're gonna cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until they are al dente. I'll show you when penne pasta is ready. While my pasta is cooking, I have my jalapeños, which I'm gonna cut in half, and I'm going to take the seeds out because we don't want this pasta to be hot. If you do want it a little bit hot, you could add 1 or 2 serrano chilies. Okay, we're gonna cut the 5 jalapeños this way, and we're gonna take all the seeds out. My kids really love this pasta. It comes out really nice, really creamy, really delicious. Okay, I'll continue cutting my jalapeños, and I'll see you in a little bit. I wanted to show you my pasta is ready. It's al dente, and we are going to remove it from the heat. I am going to drain my pasta, and I'm going to let it rest for about 3 minutes before we start cooking it with the special sauce. I am ready to prepare my sauce for my pasta. I'm going to add my cilantro. I'm going to add my 2 garlic cloves, my jalapeños, my Philadelphia cream cheese, my onion. I'm going to cut in half. I'm just adding half of onion, my black pepper, my chicken bouillon, and my 2 cups of chicken broth. Okay, I am ready to mix all this. We need to mix it completely. Let's see how this came out. Very delicious taste, and it's not hot. That's the best part. Okay, I am ready to prepare my pasta. So let's get started. I am ready to add 2 tablespoons of butter. I am going to add my pasta. We're just going to move it around so it's coat it with that butter, just a little bit. And now we are ready for our creamy sauce. Look how delicious this looks. Perfection. I'm gonna reduce the heat to medium-low, and it's gonna simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and the pasta is gonna be done. I'll show you when the pasta is ready. My friends, this is ready. I am so ready to taste this delicious pasta. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off, and I'll see you when I'm ready to taste it. With my penne pasta. Look how delicious this looks. I am so ready to taste it because this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward. Let's see how my pasta came out. I wish you were here to taste this delicious penne pasta. Excuse me. The sauce is so creamy. You could really taste the cilantro and the jalapeños. This is so creamy and so delicious. Excuse me. Perfection. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Share my video on social media. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you so much for watching my video from start to end. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And I will stay enjoying my pasta. Bye-bye.